Hello everyone, welcome to Woody Design Studios. I'm back. I have been very busy preparing for a local craft show, but today I'm going to show you how I assemble my shadow boxes. As you can see, I have everything I need and I already made the design. I use cardstock for all my layers. I use the shadow box and then I add the dividers between the layers. I use these wood sticks that I get at a Walmart, but you can also get them at any craft store. Then I'm adding regular paper to put at the back of all my layers. And then I add cardstock and my lights for the back also. And that's it. Voila, beautiful. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.